In this video, we will identify key links in the Tools section of the library website. As you can see, here is the Tools link in the purple banner on the upper right. When we click on Tools, we see a number of options. I am going to focus on what I think are the two most important options: Research Guides by Subject and the Database Finder. Let's find the Social Welfare Research Guide by clicking on Research Guides by Subject. You'll notice subjects are listed alphabetically in columns. You can scroll down until you see Social Welfare and click on it. The Social Welfare Subject Guide is your starting point for any social welfare research or assignment that requires use of library resources. As you can see, on the left is my contact information and a link to make an appointment. At the top of the right is a list of key resources. These are my go-to databases and reference resources for getting started. As we scroll down, we see more specific research guides. These provide information on how to get started with certain specific topics, providing a more detailed collection of content and instruction on how to use resources. For example, we have one on APA format, one on evidence-based social work, another to find tests and measures. Most of these guides were created because the topic required specific searching techniques for you to get the quality resources you need. Next, we will look at another important tool, the Database Finder. The Database Finder is found on the left side of the Tools page. The Database Finder is important because it will help you find places to dig deep into your topic. By using a subject-specific database, you will be searching a resource with greater depth of coverage than an ordinary search engine. So we'll click on the Database Finder. Here we are on the page. Most of these databases are for searching peer-reviewed journal articles, and you can also find streaming video, data sets, theses and dissertations, and more. There are 3 ways to find specific library databases. First, there is a large search box at the top of this page. Do not enter keywords for your topics in this box. If you know the database you are looking for, you can put the name of it in this box and search for it directly. Also, if you know the name of the database you want to access, you can use the alphabet below the search box by clicking on the first letter in the name of the database. However, under Explore Databases, you will see what I think is the best way to access our social welfare database collection, especially when you are just beginning to familiarize yourself with these resources. As you can see, the list of subjects looks much like the one for Research Guides by Subject. So again, we scroll down to see the link to the social welfare databases. While the layout is similar to the Research Guides by Subject, the content here is slightly different. So this is what we see in the social welfare databases. There are a few things to note here. First and foremost is a list of key databases. This will help you identify the best subject-specific resources to search, mainly for peer-reviewed journal articles. At the top is a list of handy subtopics in social welfare which may use more specialized resources than those in the general key databases. We will get into how to search the key databases such as PsycInfo, social work abstracts, and social services abstracts in Section 3. For now, let's move on to the services section of the library website.